BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just today, after rolling out the first wave of new features for Windows 11 version 22H2, also known as the Moment 1 update, as I did post on, and I will leave a link in the description to that video, Microsoft has already started finalizing the second optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 11 22H2, which was made available for its final testing to insiders in the release preview channel, which was on the 19th of October, and that was yesterday in my region. And because it's in its final testing now in release preview, we can expect that optional update to roll out any day soon now, and I would expect Microsoft to push that out and possibly sometime next week. Now, if we head over to the release notes, the update is KB5018496, and the current OS build for Windows 11 version 22H2 is 22621.675. So if you do decide to install the update, because it is an optional update, the OS build will be bumped up to 22621.754 or somewhere in that vicinity. Now, there are actually a couple of new add-ons and improvements. So just to go through these if you are interested, there's a new consent form for those of you enrolled in Windows Hello Face and Fingerprint, and you have new choices for your biometric data. You can keep storing your biometric data or open settings to delete the data if you have not used your face or fingerprint for authentication in over 365 days, so basically over the course of a year. And that's new choices for your biometric data, like your Windows Hello Face and Fingerprint. And then they've added improvements to the Microsoft account experience in settings, where you can manage your Microsoft OneDrive subscription and related storage alerts. And there's enhanced search visual treatments on the taskbar to improve discoverability. Now, they're not giving us much more than that, and it's actually not known exactly what these search visual enhanced treatments will be, but I suspect it's got to do with the actual search in Windows 11 version 22H2. But nonetheless, it'll be interesting to see what this actually is when they do roll it out. But just take note, deploys more broadly in the months that follow, so it will be on a controlled rollout. And then there's another enhancement here. They've enhanced the backup experience when using your Microsoft account. Some devices might notice visual treatments for this enhancement. So once again, this is also on a controlled rollout, and two enhanced visual treatments we are expecting to see in the next optional update. And then, once again, they've added Task Manager to the context menu when you right-click the taskbar. Now, this was actually supposed to have been rolled out with the Moment 1 update, where if you click, and when you click on the right-click on the taskbar, over and above, like you currently get the taskbar settings option, you get the Task Manager option added to the right-click context menu. So this basically confirms that the right-click context menu for the Task Manager setting didn't actually roll out with Moment 1. And as they are saying here, once again, this feature rolls out in the coming weeks. So that will also be on a controlled rollout. And this was also made available, as I did post on yesterday, and will be made available for Windows 11 version 21H2 as well. And then because it is a bug fix update at heart, just two little bug fixes I want to bring to your attention. They fixed an issue that affects the Windows search service. Indexing progress is slow when you use the service. Now, indexing can slow your system down, and this is actually not the first time they are trying to resolve this issue. So hopefully with this update, this Windows search service indexing progress issue will be sorted out once and for all. And then just to mention the last kind of key highlight for this video, this was an issue that was a known issue I posted on just a couple of days ago, which Microsoft actually rolled out an out-of-band update for. And I'll leave a link in the description to that video. But they say they fixed an issue that might affect some types of secure sockets layer, SSL, and transport layer security, TLS connections. These connections might have handshake failures. And the long and the short of that is basically that was network connectivity issues, as I did post on. So that was an out-of-band update, but looks like now Microsoft is including it now as an official update in this next optional bug fix update, rolling out in just a couple of days' time, which, as mentioned, will be KB5018496 for Windows 11 version 22H2. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.